name's Ariel. I like to scratch up everything. I got the tubbiest little tubby. Yes, I'm so cute. I am Sarah, and I'm a lazy filmer. Yes, I am absolutely guilty of being lazy, filming on one app and then just using that footage for everything, and it's lazy, I know. So because I want to grow my YouTube audience, I am going to do dedicated YouTube videos, even if I look like this, because I cannot be bothered doing my makeup. Okay, I'm 45. This is my skin. It is what it is. Anyway, what I'm going to talk about today is the Mecca beauty loop. Okay, I am a complete knob. I honestly did not know this existed until I just kept randomly getting boxes. I went in there and I'd be buying something, I'd randomly they'd reach behind and grab a box. And I'd be like, oh, okay. I've obviously spent a certain amount of money. They're giving me a box. But no, one day this girl says to me, have you downloaded the app? Because I had something sitting there, a service or something. And I'm like, no. So then I downloaded the app and then realized that this is a whole thing, So I'm a level 3. I have unboxed this already, but I'll go through it again, of course, because I wants to grow. So because I wants to grow, maybe give us a like and a follow, and, I'll try and get more consistent. I'll try and do my makeup for some, and, I'll put in a little effort for you. Don't worry. Anyway, I'm a level 3. I will insert some information as I go about the different things and just, levels, and feel free to pause and read. Okay, so level 3, the start of something to be beautiful. So they give you a little, thing about what's in here. I'm going to start with the smallest and the most boring. I shouldn't say boring because I actually don't mind this stuff. It's the the Vitamin Enrich Face Base from Bobbi Brown. Now, I have used this. My daughter uses this. It's basically a vitamin E cream, a moisturizer, and it's actually really, really good. I am definitely of the opinion that you do not, oh my God, such a lady, that you do not need a primer. I don't think you need one. If you've got a good skincare routine, which I believe I do, you don't need primer. So I think it's a waste of money. Anyway, this is for free. So my daughter uses this, and I'll give it to her. So what is next? What did I get next? Okay, I'll do the stuff like the boring stuff. Tom Ford. It's a little, smelly tester. I'm not a fan of Tom Ford fragrances. I don't know, it's just not my thing, so I don't know what to do with that. I'll give it to my daughter. Maybe she'll like it, or her boyfriend will like it, or something like that. This is the cutest thing ever. This is so cute. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Tiny little pillow talk. Look at that. It's even got the Charlotte Tilbury on the lid. Look at it. I don't want to swatch it because everybody knows this color. But I've got a bigger one that I use. But when you see people and they're doing all those little minis in their thing, this is where they just get them from. How cute is that? Let me get a normal lipstick. Do I even have a normal lipstick? Not really. I've got this one sitting here. Look at the difference. So freaking cute. Anyway, love that. So cute. I'll use that. That'll go in that'll be handy for when you're carrying a really small handbag. What else I get? Ribbon Wrapped Lash by Too Faced. These are really good samples. To get a little lipstick like that, that's going to last you a good time. Do you know what I mean? And this, I don't think it's full size. I don't know how to figure out if it's full sized or not. But, it's pretty good. 24-hour wear, extreme length lift, no smudging, clamping, or flaking. Shall we give it a try?
It's wet. She's wet. Very, very, very wet. I kind of feel like I might get it all over myself. I might actually. Yeah. I might. I feel like the face too cool. Leave it on the bottom lashes. I don't know why I'm worried about getting it everywhere. I don't even have makeup on.
I'm filming. My daughter's so obsessed with me. She's so obsessed with me. Did that go on my bottom? Oh well. We'll see how that goes. Anyway. And then the last is the Goodnight Pillow Mist by Kit. This has Tasmanian lavender oil and steam distilled cedarwood. Cedarwood and lavender. Oh, yes, please. It does smell really good. Look at that. And we go. Shush. It's only got the smallest hint of lavender. It's more of a cedarwood smell. Anyway, it smells pretty good. So that's it. Like, that's really not a bad little haul for free. Like, all you have to do is sign up and you get this for free. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, like that's a little tester, which is great because this is quite expensive. So you don't really want to go buy, like I know they have small samples and stuff, but even those small samples, like they are so expensive. So to get stuff like this that you can just try out, it's worth it, and for free. Like especially mascara, like hello, and this little, we love it. Anyway, what I also got was excuse me, Oreo, do you mind? Oreo, my little osmosis, is in here today filming. Would you like to say hi? Come say hi, Oz. Say hi. Say hi, my name's Oreo. I like to scratch up everything. I got the tubbiest little tubby. Yes, oh, she likes to climb up and jump on everything. Isn't he the cutest? Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, hop down. Oh my God, he is so chubby. So yeah, so I got a $50 voucher for my birthday, and birthday's at the end of March, so I went in April, picked up the box and got my birthday gift. So what I ended up spending it on was this Tatcha lip mask. This was $47. I've used it a few times. I don't really think it's $47 worth. Like it's got this little scoopy thing, which is, you know, it's all right. But I don't think it's worth $47. Like if I didn't get the $50 voucher, I wouldn't have gone and spent $47 on a lip mask. I've got a lot of lip stuff anyway, but I just wouldn't have done it. And I'm glad that I spent my voucher on it because I know it's not really worth it. I'll use it, or I might end up passing it off to one of my daughters. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. And then because I had a couple of dollars left, I picked this up as well. So these are just like little lip masks, hydrating lip masks. I've never used one before. These were $24. And it says to put them in the fridge, and then yeah, you pop them on your lips and off you go. Never used these before. Are they worth $24? I don't know, for a lip mask. I don't know. Anyway, it is what it is. I brought them. I'll give them a go. It'll be fun. Yeah, so that's not really bad. It's not a really bad haul. I definitely think it's worth signing up. Like, I'm going to do a video in all the different places that I shop for makeup and fragrance and stuff like that, and skincare, and give you the rundown of, you know, the different perks and things at different places, and, you know, what I think is worth it, what I think is not worth it. Mecca, definitely worth it. It goes up to tier level 4, but there's 5 levels. So you've got your first initial level, which is just a beauty starter, I don't know what it is, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. after that. So there's 5 levels, and you know, you get a freebie every quarter. And the higher the box, I guess the better the products. Like, it's pretty freaking cool. I love it. So please like and follow. I would love some more subscribers. I am right down with like nobody watches me, but that's cool. You know, everyone's got to start somewhere. I will be more consistent. I really, really, really like doing this. I want to be more consistent. So, you know, if you don't mind the rambling, you don't mind the, you know, non-makeup, and you want to see the stuff that I buy, yeah, please follow and like and do all the things. Yeah, ciao, ciao, bye.